Hi, I'm Eric Burlison, and I find it ironic that some in the media act as if the right to free speech and freedom of the press is somehow more important than the right to keep and bear arms. They even go so far as to say that if you work to protect the Second Amendment, that you're nuts. But the truth is, the countries that restrict gun ownership the most usually restrict people's free speech the most. I believe these rights are equally important, and we must protect them all. What's important is that you use all rights in a responsible manner and educate yourself, whether it's voting in an election or carrying a firearm. As the Sportsman's Caucus chairman, I've arranged for the proper firearm training of hundreds of staff and legislators at the Capitol over the last few years, because I believe that education is important. But to be clear, you've always had the right to purchase a firearm with a background check and openly carry it without any training. However, once you put your coat on or put it in your purse, if you don't have a concealed carry permit, you would be committing a felony. Because of this and the many other attacks on our Second Amendment right, in 2014, the Missouri voters made it quite plain that Missourians have the right to keep and bear arms whether that weapon is visible or not by those around them. And the government shouldn't require you to pay for a permit to exercise that right. After all, if you need a permit to exercise your right, it's not a right at all. We eliminated poll taxes decades ago because it was wrong. It's wrong to make legal citizens pay for the right to vote, just as it's wrong to make legal citizens pay to protect themselves. As state representative, I have a duty to uphold and protect the whole Constitution. House Bill 1250, otherwise known as constitutional carry, doesn't give you any more rights than you already have. It just aligns our laws with the rights that you currently have. The bottom line is that the legislature in Jefferson City and in our Congress in Washington, D.C. should not infringe on your rights. Their job is to protect them. For more information about this and other important legislation, please go to my constituent website at ericburlison.net. That's ericburlison.net. Thank you.